What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Treble Gamer video. Today I am doing something insane. I am eating a bowl of noodles. You guys shall watch. I've seen on the internet this is a big thing. Now I feel like I should eat a bowl of noodles because ASMR is good. Okay, here we go, guys. This is Treble Gamer doing his best. So as we could see here, it's a yellow bowl, one of my favorites in the world. I'm gonna eat this. It's noodles. It's good for you. It's healthy. Just gotta get most of that noodles out of there, right there. Oh yeah. Home. That's the small. Mmm. Now, guys, that was a great success. I have to admit it. These noodles, they taste great. You should definitely try them. Now, what you want to do, I've heard a tactic of eating very spicy noodles. You just gotta think right. Gotta think like Kim Jong Un or one of them people. So once you think like them, you just open your mouth. Hum. Mmm. That is good. Mmm. I really enjoy this, guys. I'm really enjoying this noodles. I I would put the recipe in the description below, but I actually don't know the recipe just yet. I'm very hungry. Mmm. Look at these noodles. They're good for you. I really enjoyed this, guys. You should be enjoying this too. If you do, drop a like below, because you'll love this video. Going in for another bite, guys. Look at this. Oh, yeah. If I eat these noodles in 5 seconds, guys, you gotta subscribe. Oh, 1, 2, 3, gulp. It's down, guys. Now you gotta subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is some good food. I have to admit it, guys. I really enjoy this. It is better than watching the political views of America. Mmm. If anyone knows sign language, drop a comment below what you think that was. Guys, if you want to see my face in the next video, you all you gotta do is get me to 500,000 subscribers and I will get you there. Oh, these are good noodles. You like my hands. Mmm. That is good. That is good. Guys, I think this is a great way to stop the video. These noodles have been great. I give them a 10 out of 10. Fantastic. Of course, there were a few downfalls of the noodles, bit spicy, a bit tingly on my tongue, but I think they were just perfect. I think you guys should try these noodles. I will drop the recipe below in the description. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's so good I can't even speak properly. Subscribe, like, and join the fan club, guys. You know you want to. Bye bye.